Hello friends, I'm Nitin Manot, Managing Director of a company called Technocrats Kulava Infrastructure Private Limited. This company is a subsidiary of a company called Technocrats Security System Private Limited, which is a 35-year-old company. This company works pan-Asia business. Friends, in a day-to-day life, we ignore a different kind of pollutions. There are many types of pollutions, and one of it is the most ignored one, which is I'm going to talk today, that is called a noise pollution or a sound pollution. Yes, do we know that every year we lose 1.6 million of years of healthy life as per the study that we are losing? The sound pollution is measured in decibels, and as a human being we can hear, our ability to hear sound pollution is sound is up to 0 decibels. In some cases it goes up to minus 15 decibels, those with a better hearing abilities. So when we talk about a sound pollution from 0 or minus 15 decibels all the way up to 85 decibels, it is a huge difference, and due to which there are a lot of damages can happen to our hearing abilities. And which is most important, sound pollution is a silent killer. Many a times we don't realize that our communication or our ability to communicate with our fellow housemates gets affected because of the sound pollution. We get a lot of stress because of the sound pollution. And now I spoke about the problems of sound pollution. Let us see what solution we have got for it. As I mentioned, a Technocrats Kulava Infrastructure Private Limited is our company. Kulava are our partner. They are German company. It is also more than 30-year-old company. They are specialist of manufacturing of sound barriers, and same German technology we have got in India through and collaboration with the Germans. So this product we could able to install in many places, but I'm going to talk about one case study today specifically, which is quite close to my heart, and that case study is about a bridge called Kapur Baudi, which is on the outskirts of Mumbai in Thane. This bridge is a quite long bridge connecting all the way to the toll naka which goes up to Nasik. So in this case there is a society called Rutu Park, and the secretary of Rutu Park, Mr. Rajan, took on himself to take this particular case of noise pollution to government agencies, who in turns awarded the order to us to install a sound barrier. When we visited the place, we found that the pollution is very high because there is a U junction, there is a T junction there, and there are six different ways to come and go, so creating that much of additional pollution. So we have special sound barrier we got. So the bridge we found was 25-meter high. So because of that the sound pollution was going much higher, and that was one of the challenge as well. But we overcame all the challenges. We installed the sound barrier. So the problem was noise pollution, and we got the perfect solution to them, to the extent when we completed the work, Mr. Rajan had said, "Thank you Technocrats, you have got the peaceful nights back to us," and that is a satisfaction of our customer. The satisfied customer brings a smile always on us, and we are happy that our customer is happy. So friends, we saw the sound pollution, we saw the problem, and we also shown you what can be a solution. So this is how I would be talking for the next time as well. I would come back with another case study. Meanwhile, thank you, be safe and stay home.